Hi, I am Nishtha. Welcome you all to our new video tutorial of Magento 2. In today's video, we're going to show you the default functionality of Magento 2, wherein we're going to check out how we can export customer addresses into our CSV file format. But before moving ahead, kindly do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for further updates from our end. And if you do like the video, kindly give the thumbs up. So now let's move towards the admin backend panel of Magento 2 so that I can show you the workflow of this functionality. Now as you can see, I'm on the admin backend panel of Magento 2 where I'm going to log in from the username and password. Once you click on the sign in option, you will be redirected towards the dashboard of Magento 2. Here on the left hand side panel, you can see the option is there, system. Click on the system option. Under there you can see the data transfer option is there. Then you have to click on the export option. Once you click on the export option, you can see the settings of the export on the page. And here you can see there are three options: entity type, export file format, fields enclosure. In the bottom side you can see the files which I had already downloaded like earlier, so that previous files will going to appear here itself. If you want to select those files, download, delete, so you can do that needful from here. Now the first option is entity type. Here you can see we are having advanced pricing, products, customers, main file, customer addresses, stock sources. In our previous videos, I have already shown you how we can export advanced pricing, products, customer main file, and in today's video I'm going to show you how we can export customers addresses. And the rest, that is stock sources, we're going to explain you in our next upcoming videos. So I'm going to select customer addresses, and the next option is export file format, that is CSV, field enclosure. This is the option just in case if you want that your data should be prevented from the special characters. So you can check this box, and if you don't want that, then you can uncheck this box like this. And here you can see the entity attributes. These are the attributes just in case if you want to exclude any kind of attributes, so you can select those attributes from here itself, and those particular attributes will not going to be downloaded in your file which you will going to download from here. On scrolling down, you can see this continue option is there. You have to click on this continue option. Once you click on this continue option, you can see there is a pop-up message is added to queue. Wait to get your file soon. Make sure your cron job is running to export the file. Kindly note that whenever you are downloading any file, cron job must be running at the backend. Right now cron job is running at the backend, that's why we are able to download this file. So I'm going to download this file from here. Once it's downloaded, I'm going to open it. Here you can see the details of the customers like email, city, company, first name, last name, passcode, region, street, telephone, everything is mentioned here on the sheet. So like this, you can export the file of customer addresses into a CSV file format and check the details of the customers. So that was much about this functionality of Magento 2 from my end. And still, if you have any query, any doubt or suggestions regarding this functionality, so you can reach back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com. And lastly, thanks for watching the video. Have a good day ahead.